Today we're happy to present this great opportunity. It's a duplex ground floor apartment, but it's elevated from the road, you will appreciate later. And it's priced to sell. We're entering through the main door, and this level is where you have the living room, which has been extended with this extra space. And a fabulous view to the sea. You've got terraces on all levels. And now most of you will ask me, why is it priced to sell, Tanya? Why is it only 210,000 euros for this property? And it's had some water damages. The owner is a very old couple. They're not going to repair it. They have not been here for 4 years, and it's just got neglected. Now, for those who are used to do flip properties, this is not going to be a major issue. However, if you are not into renovation, this property will not be for you. Now, main level, kitchen, large living room, and a toilet or guest bathroom. Eventually, you could make the bathroom with a shower, because you've got the space enough for it. And downstairs, we have 2 bedrooms with 2 bathrooms. Now, I'll show you the damages. These are the damages we have, and everything is dry. We could provide you, if you wanted, contact a specialist for damp and see where this is coming from. We can put you in touch with somebody that will tell you exactly what the problem is. But as I said, for most of us that are used to deal with properties that are damaged, we can see the fix. And it's not a major one and not very expensive. So 210,000 for this property is really a good deal. Now, bathroom, ensuite, wardrobes, nice size master bedroom. You've got access to the terrace from both bedrooms. Now, we still have a nice view here to Estepona and the bay, massive terrace. And you have also access from the ground floor level, from the street level. You've got steps to come up, but this is part of your private property, and most of the neighbors have done different spaces like storage. We've got one with a barbecue area, an automatic door, and next door has the motorcycle and some gear for the bicycle. So there's a massive potential in this space. And, well, private. Lots of square meters for a great price. And as you see, could be typed as a townhouse, but truth is it's a duplex ground floor. So if you want to visit, make sure you call me as soon as possible, but because these properties just don't tend to stay a lot of time on the books. For any additional questions, feel free to contact me. Have a great day.